The conditions could be compound of different levels of conditions. So that means instead of elif, one condition can lead to totally another set of conditions. So for example, if we look to the flowchart on the right, we see that the first if condition leads to two different sets of conditions. So if the condition is true, so it will lead to another set of if conditions. And that if condition will have its own structure. If it goes true or false, if it is false, can go to another elif statement. On the other side, if the first condition is false, so it will go to another elif condition. The elif condition also can take us to another if condition, which is independent from the first one. Now, let's work on this example. So at the beginning, we enter the value of x through the input statement. Then we come to the first if condition. The first if condition checks if x is within the limits -1 to 1. Then it goes to totally independent condition. If x is larger than 0, then we execute the block of y equals to x minus 1. Else if, or elif, x equal to 0, then y equals to -1. And else y equals to x plus 1. So as we see here, we have a whole block or whole structure of if, elif, else associated with the first if statement. Similarly, if we look to the next elif statement, which is elif x less than -1 or x greater than 1, connected to operations block, which also contains a whole if-elif structure. So in this way, we can create a compound conditions structure. Now, compound condition structure is not limited to this structure. So the algorithm itself determines what levels of conditions we are going to use in our compound conditions statement. Now, let's test this code. So we enter value of x, 0. So we see that it executed the elif statement where x equals to 0. Let's run the code again. 0.5. And as you see, it is minus 0.5 because it's executed the if x larger than 0. The last run, 2. Y is a small. That means it executed the else statement connected to the elif in the middle of the structure. You can download this file and try different values of x in order to check how this code works.